First of all, naturopathic doctors are trained in family medicine right from their first year of medical school. We're a general practice field. We're trained to help people learn about their health, improve their health, prevent disease, and treat any disease that they may have. And I think what naturopathic doctors do that may be a little different than conventional family medicine is that we spend a great deal more time with our patients, helping educate them and helping them recognize how they can improve their health without the doctor in the room. So it's not just about giving them a prescription or giving them a vaccination or something along those lines. It's about helping give them tools so you can get them started in a direction and let them follow through in ways that they can improve their health on a daily basis.
The great thing about starting to get care from a naturopathic doctor is that it's allowed me to educate myself. And as a mother, and I'm sure many other parents will attest to this, when your child becomes ill, we are the first person to provide care. So it's pretty critical that we have some really good strategies right at hand to make a decision whether or not we need to even see a doctor and to know when is it time to go. And taking care of my own health has really empowered me to have a variety of things that I can do when my daughter gets a fever. What should I do? What kind of food should I give her? What's the homeopathic remedy? My daughter coughs at 12 midnight. I know what to do. I hadn't really heard about homeopathy until I saw Dr. Bauer, and he hasn't actually given homeopathy to my children. They're the little remedies that you see at your health food store, little blue plastic tubes with all sorts of different names on them, and they're very inexpensive. And by showing me how to use them for myself, now I have a book that's kind of just a handbook for moms that if your child gets a cough or a runny nose or a pinched finger, I have a handbook and a little homeopathic first aid kit in my house that I would use. And without having been educated about this through my own care, I don't know that I would be as effective caring for my children. And my second daughter has never been to a doctor, and she's 2. She's never been ill enough that I've had to take her to a doctor. So it really goes back to the idea that naturopathic medicine is about wellness. I made myself into a person with optimal health, and that is my goal for my children. And because I have a doctor that empowers me, I have the tools to do so. And I'm really grateful. My husband has been to him for a sore throat, and it's amazing. I think antibiotics can be helpful in the right situation, but it's really great to know that Dr. Bauer allows us to question, do I really need this right now? I will take it if I have to, but do I really need to? And that he'll listen to our concerns and he'll help us make an informed decision, and we'll make that decision together. And if he gives us his expert opinion that it's necessary, well then we'll certainly appreciate that he has the credentials to do so, but appreciate also that he has the presence of mind to allow us to participate in our own care.
It's a fundamental tenet of naturopathic medicine is to teach. And to teach isn't just to hand someone something or to give them the right herb or to give them the right vitamin. That is certainly something we strive to do, but more importantly, we want people to be active participants in their health. And to do that, they need to be pointed in the right direction. They need to know what kind of insights will help them improve their health, help them manage a chronic condition that they've been wrestling with without relying on whether it's a medical doctor or a naturopathic doctor or any other practitioner. It's about helping them navigate so they can be active participants in their own health.
I think it's really important that patients know that they're going to be encouraged to participate. And after spending maybe some frustrating years or months going to different kinds of medical doctors and maybe not getting to the point where you want to be, it feels like you want to do something more. You want to expand your options. That is the time to go to a naturopath and say, okay, I'm going to participate in some new ways of feeling better.